dodge the thingies. That one. I'm okay so far. Yeah, a bit faster. Jump over that. This is quite fun. It's okay, that's slowing down there. Look at that. I'm making it. That's where I've come from there. Look. Doink. I'm slowing down. Go. This is fun. Oh. Go. Can I get through this without getting anything wet? I think I've got the worst of it. Done the worst of it. Yeah. I think I made it. This is fun. Out there. Turn that corner. Just got one little corner bit to go. Slow down. Okay. Yeah, we're okay. If I'm staying this side, then it's okay. But it's quite rough out here. Oh, we've got another bit to go. I'm trying to keep my feet dry. Yeah, I think I made it. Yeah, this is dry. This is okay, this bit. Right, I'm going now. Goodbye.